Better than heaven or Arcadia, I love thee, oh my India. I, Anant Bhardwaj, a proud student, take this opportunity to showcase my delicious dish and explore our traditional Indian culture by the way it is prepared. Well, I am talking about a mouth-watering, irresistible and nutritious dish, dhokla. Dhokla is a delicious dish that can be enjoyed in either breakfast or in lunch. So let's start with the ingredients. For dhokla, I am gonna mix the batter first. First I will take 1.5 bowl besan or ground flour. Then I will take half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Then I will mix the batter. After mixing it, I will pour some water. Mix it well so there would be no lumps. It should be nice and flowing consistency. Not too thin, not too thick. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes. While the batter is at rest, I will grease the cake tin with some oil. After 10 minutes, I am gonna add half teaspoon ENO to the batter. Give it a quick mix. As soon as you mix ENO, you can see the foamy consistency. Now pour the prepared batter into the cake tin. Don't tap the batter, just spread it evenly. I have taken a steam cooker and poured some water in it. Now let it boil. Now the water is heated up. Now place the cake tin gently into the cooker. Now cover it with the lid and wait for 20 minutes. Take a pan and pour some oil in it. Let it heat and pour 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Take 4-5 slit chilies and mix it. Then take some curry leaves, then pour some water, mix it and then put half teaspoon salt. After that, 2 teaspoon sugar. Let it boil. Now we will mix juice of 2 lemons. Water solution for the dhokla is ready. Now let's check the dhokla. Yeah, it's ready. Place the tin upside down and tap it gently to transfer the dhokla on a plate. Now I will cut it into pieces. Now my dhokla is ready. So let's pour some water solution. My dhokla is ready and it's looking very yummy and tempting. But before I taste it, let's talk about its nutritional values. As far as the ingredients of dhokla are concerned, they make a good source of protein. Besan is a good vegetarian source of protein. One piece of dhokla falls about 75 calories. It has 10.3 mg sodium, 0.8 mg iron, 8.8 mg calcium, 100 mg potassium, 2.1 gram fiber, 3 gram protein, 2.1 gram fat, 10.6 gram carbohydrates, 29.2 mcg vitamin A and 0.3 mg vitamin C. You can also try this tasty Gujarati dish at your home. But I can't stop myself. You try. It's very yummy. Thank you.